Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up replace a failed EV charging cable safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up and replace a failed EV charging cable safely, begin by ensuring you have the necessary tools and equipment at hand. Make sure you are wearing appropriate safety gear, including gloves and safety goggles. First, inspect the faulty cable for visible damage or wear. If the cable seems compromised, refrain from using it. Disconnect the charging cable from your electric vehicle and the charging station. Ensure the power to the charging station is turned off. Locate the cable connectors on both ends of the faulty charging cable. Using a wrench, carefully unscrew the connectors from the cable, taking note of their orientation. Once the connectors are removed, prepare to attach the new charging cable. Take your new charging cable and inspect it for any signs of damage. Begin by attaching the connector to the charging station side. Align the connector properly and secure it by tightening the screws. Next, attach the vehicle connector, ensuring it is oriented correctly. Again, secure it firmly by tightening the screws. Once both connectors are attached, double-check that all screws are tight and secure. Before powering up the charging station, perform a final inspection of the setup. Confirm there are no exposed wires or loose connections. Now, restore power to the charging station. Observe the charging station indicators to verify that the connection is established. Finally, plug the new cable into your electric vehicle and check for normal operation. If everything functions correctly, your charging setup is now complete and safe to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.